Coffee isn't just your morning pick-me-up anymore. For millions of seniors, it might actually be doing something far more powerful, either stealing your strength or rebuilding it faster than the most expensive supplements on the market. After age 60, your body naturally loses up to 8% of its muscle every decade, raising your risk of falls, fractures, and even early death. But here's the surprising truth. When you combine coffee with the right natural ingredients, that same cup can turn into a form of daily medicine, one that fights inflammation, strengthens muscles, and restores energy. Hidden in overlooked studies, these natural additions have been shown to protect arteries, melt belly fat, boost circulation, and even rebuild muscle. Big corporations won't tell you this. There's no billion-dollar profit in these simple, natural ingredients. But today, you'll discover 8 proven additions you can stir into your coffee every morning, rank from number 8 all the way to number 1. Make sure to watch till the end because ingredient number 4 shocked researchers by improving mobility in seniors by over 40%, yet hardly anyone in the West even knows about it. Before we dive in, let me ask, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been lately? Drop it in the comments, we read every single one. Most people think of cinnamon only for desserts or holiday treats, but when you stir it into your coffee, it becomes a muscle-protecting powerhouse. Cinnamon is rich in natural compounds that fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and stabilize blood sugar, a key factor for seniors. Unstable blood sugar silently drains your muscles of energy and accelerates muscle loss. Take John, 68, who always felt tired after lunch and noticed his legs weakening. His wife suggested adding cinnamon to his coffee. Within weeks, his energy was steady, his legs felt lighter, and his blood sugar dropped nearly 20 points. Research backs this up. Cinnamon helps your muscles absorb nutrients efficiently by preventing insulin spikes. Just half a teaspoon daily can make a real difference. For best results, use Ceylon cinnamon, true cinnamon, instead of cassia, which can contain higher levels of a compound called coumarin. This small addition adds 0 calories, controls sugar, and turns ordinary coffee into a metabolic ally for your muscles. The same ingredient used in hot chocolate becomes a hidden superfood when added unsweetened to your coffee. Cocoa is packed with flavonols, powerful plant compounds that enhance circulation and reduce inflammation. For seniors, better circulation means stronger muscles, higher stamina, and quicker recovery. Take Evelyn, 72, who loved her morning walks but struggled with heavy legs. After stirring a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa into her coffee, she noticed smoother movement, lighter steps, and even lower blood pressure at her next checkup. Science explains why. Cocoa improves the endothelial function of blood vessels, helping them relax and deliver oxygen-rich blood to muscles. Combined with coffee's caffeine, it creates a 1-2 punch energy plus improved circulation. Just 1 teaspoon of pure, unsweetened cocoa is all you need. Avoid sugary mixes. The result? A richer flavor and a stronger, more energized body. This may sound unusual, but adding a spoonful of coconut or MCT oil to your coffee is a tradition across parts of Asia used for centuries to boost both body and brain. Unlike regular fats, medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are quickly converted into ketones, a clean, long-lasting energy source for your muscles and mind. As we age, our cells become less efficient at burning glucose, which is why fatigue and brain fog creep in. Ketones fix that. Take Harold, 69. He used to feel shaky mid-morning and reach for sugary snacks. His son suggested blending MCT oil into his coffee. Within days, Harold's energy stayed steady till lunch, no more cravings, and within 2 months he'd lost 7 pounds around his waist. Start small. 1 teaspoon blended into coffee and increase gradually. You'll notice sustained energy, better focus, and muscles that stay fueled all day. It's proof that strong bodies after 60 don't just rely on sugar. The right fats can keep you steady, sharp, and strong. A simple yet powerful addition: milk or soy milk. Most people see it as just a creamer, but for seniors, it's a muscle-preserving secret. Milk provides complete protein with all essential amino acids, especially leucine, which triggers muscle growth. Soy milk, meanwhile, offers high-quality plant protein plus isoflavones that protect bones and heart health. Dolores, 72, learned this the hard way. She drank black coffee for decades, believing it was the healthier choice. But her daughter, a nurse, noticed her strength fading. After switching to soy milk, Dolores saw real changes: easier stair climbs, improved bone density, and better energy. Just half a cup of milk or soy milk adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, enough to slow overnight muscle loss. Choose lactose-free or fortified soy milk depending on your needs. Unlike sugary creamers, milk strengthens muscles, bones, and energy all in one cup. Before we continue, if you find these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Seniors Wellness Tips with Dr. Julia Close. We share simple, science-backed ways to help you stay strong and independent after 60. Most people think collagen is only for skin or beauty, but for seniors, it's one of the most vital building blocks for strength. After 60, your natural collagen production drops by 1% every year, leading to stiff joints, slow recovery, and weaker muscles. Adding collagen to your coffee helps reverse that decline. Robert, 70, loved gardening but dreaded soreness after even light work. His neighbor recommended collagen powder. Within 2 months, his knee pain eased, and he was back in his garden with no discomfort. Collagen provides amino acids like glycine and proline, the raw materials your muscles, joints, and bones need to repair themselves. Just 1 scoop delivers around 10 grams of protein that dissolves easily into coffee with no taste. A 2022 study found seniors supplementing with collagen reported less joint pain, better mobility, and faster recovery. Combine it with coffee's natural circulation boost, and you've got a powerful daily tonic for mobility and longevity. Whey isn't just for bodybuilders, it's actually more important for older adults. After 60, your body becomes less responsive to protein. Scientists call this anabolic resistance. That means you need more high-quality protein to trigger muscle growth. Whey is loaded with leucine, the amino acid that flips your muscle-building switch. Studies show seniors supplementing with whey gain up to 38% more lean muscle than those who don't. Take Helen, 67, who found chores exhausting and her arms thinning. Her son convinced her to add a scoop of unflavored whey isolate to her coffee. Within weeks, she noticed firmer muscles, better balance, and renewed energy. Use 1 scoop of unflavored whey isolate. It mixes smoothly, adds no sugar, and provides pure, digestible protein. For those with lactose sensitivity, hydrolyzed or isolate forms are easiest on the stomach. Adding whey turns your morning coffee into a muscle-rebuilding elixir that helps you stay strong, steady, and independent. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are one of the simplest and most effective ways to strengthen muscles and support healthy aging. Packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based protein, they reduce inflammation, aid digestion, and stabilize blood sugar, all critical for seniors. George, 70, struggled with constipation, fatigue, and stubborn belly fat. His daughter, a nutritionist, told him to grind chia seeds and stir them into coffee. Within weeks, his digestion improved, his waistline shrank, and his joints felt smoother. The key is grinding them, whole. Chia seeds often pass through undigested. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground chia stirred into hot coffee adds a creamy texture and powerful nutrients that support your muscles, brain, and joints. Small change, big payoff. Chia seeds remind us that sometimes the tiniest habits lead to the greatest results. Our top spot goes to turmeric, the golden spice proven to reduce inflammation, protect arteries, and restore muscle strength, especially when paired with black pepper. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse, but your body can't absorb it well unless you add black pepper, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Inflammation is the hidden thief of strength after 60. It damages muscles, stiffens joints, and accelerates aging. Turmeric helps reverse this process. Satoshi, 73, loved gardening but had to stop due to knee pain. After adding half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to his morning coffee, his pain eased, swelling dropped, and within a few weeks he was back in the garden pain-free. The warmth of coffee enhances curcumin's potency, and the pepper ensures it reaches your bloodstream. Add half teaspoon turmeric plus a pinch of black pepper to your cup. For taste, balance it with a little cinnamon or honey. Turmeric proves a powerful truth. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. By reducing inflammation and protecting muscles, you can move freely and feel younger for years to come. Let's summarize the 8 proven coffee additions to rebuild muscle after 60. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and protects muscle. Cocoa. Improves circulation and recovery. Coconut or MCT oil fuels muscles with clean energy. Milk or soy milk adds complete protein for muscle repair. Collagen. Restores joints, mobility, and flexibility. Whey protein. Rebuilds lost muscle fast. Chia seeds. Support digestion and reduce inflammation. Turmeric plus black pepper. Fight inflammation and protect your strength. Each of these ingredients is simple, affordable, and backed by research. Your morning coffee can either fuel decline or rebuild your future. The choice is yours. Which of these will you try first? Cinnamon, whey, or turmeric? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Seniors Wellness Tips with Dr. Julia Close for more science-based ways to stay strong, healthy, and independent after 60. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Everyone's health situation is unique. Please consult your doctor or a qualified health professional before making changes to your diet or supplements, especially if you take medication or have existing conditions.